Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the plus or minus symbol on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a plus or minus symbol on your Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the slide here and I'm just going to edit it. Now I just need to insert plus or minus symbol. So double tap on the text box and just use your keyboard. Here I'm just using Google Keyboard or Gboard. You can download it from Play Store. So tap here on the number section on the bottom, then you just need to tap this again. So here you will find a option to insert the plus or minus symbol. It's called plus symbol. It's actually a hidden symbol here, plus symbol, and just long press on the symbol, you will see the pop-up here of plus or minus symbol. This is actually a hidden symbol on the keyboard. You can just use this to insert the plus or minus symbol on your Google Slide mobile. Why just I'm using Google Keyboard? Because there is no option to insert the symbol. Insert symbol option is not present in the Google Slide mobile. So use your keyboard to insert the symbol. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.